Hello, fellow trader. Today we're going to talk about something exciting. We will learn how to connect two powerful trading tools. These tools are TradingView and MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. Many traders use them every single day to look at charts and make trades. Think of TradingView as your map for finding treasure. It has amazing charts that are very easy to use. You can draw lines, add indicators, and test your trading ideas on it. It is one of the best platforms for technical analysis because it is so user-friendly and visually appealing. You can spot potential trades with its advanced charting tools and a huge library of community-built indicators. Now let's talk about MetaTrader 5. If TradingView is your map, then MT5 is your powerful ship. It is the platform where you actually place your trades. Many brokers around the world offer MT5 to their clients. It is famous for being reliable and fast. You can manage your account, open positions, and close them through this platform. MT5 is also great for running automated trading robots, which are called expert advisors or EAs. So MT5 is where the real action happens, where your trading decisions turn into actual buy or sell orders in the market. It is a robust platform built for execution. So why would you want to use both of them together? This is a great question. You get the best of both worlds. You can use TradingView's fantastic charts to find your trading setups. Its interface is clean and you can create complex strategies using its PineScript language. But many brokers do not directly connect to TradingView for automated trading. On the other hand, most brokers support MT5. So you do your analysis on the easy-to-use TradingView platform. Then you can have your trades automatically executed on the reliable MT5 platform. This combination is a powerful way to improve your trading workflow. This setup allows you to harness the superior charting and strategy building capabilities of TradingView. You can develop and backtest your ideas with ease. Once you have a strategy that you are confident in, you don't want to sit and wait for the signals manually. You want the computer to do the work. By linking TradingView to MT5, you can automate this entire process. When your strategy on TradingView generates a buy or sell signal, it can be sent directly to your MT5 account. This means your trades are placed instantly, without you needing to lift a finger. This is the magic of automation. Connecting TradingView to MetaTrader 5 might sound technical, but it is simpler than you think. The two platforms don't talk to each other directly, so we need to build a bridge between them. This bridge is usually a special piece of software. It listens for signals from TradingView and then tells MT5 what to do. The most common way to send these signals is by using something called webhooks. A webhook is just a special web link. When TradingView sends an alert to this link, the bridge software receives it. It is like sending a text message from one application to another to trigger an action. To get started, you will need a few things. First, you need an account on TradingView, and a pro plan is usually necessary to use webhooks. Second, you need a MetaTrader 5 account with a broker. Third, you need the bridge software. There are several services available that offer this connection. Some popular ones are TradingView to MT5 connector or other similar third-party tools. These tools usually consist of two parts: a program you install on your computer and an expert advisor or EA that you place inside your MT5 platform. This EA is what will receive the commands and execute the trades. The general process works like this. You first set up the connector software on your computer or a virtual private server, or VPS. A VPS is like a remote computer that is always on, which is great for running your trading bot 24/7. After installing the software, you will get a unique webhook URL. You will then copy this URL. This link is the destination for your TradingView alerts. It is the address where TradingView will send its messages. Make sure you keep this URL private, as anyone with it could potentially send signals to your trading account. Next, you install the special expert advisor provided by the connector service onto your MT5 platform. You attach this EA to the chart of the currency pair or asset you want to trade, for example, EUR/USD. This EA is now waiting for instructions. When you set up an alert in TradingView, you will paste your unique webhook URL into the alert settings. Now, when the alert is triggered on TradingView, a message is sent to your webhook URL. The connector software receives this message, translates it into a command, and passes it to the EA on your MT5, which then executes the trade. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine we have a basic strategy on TradingView. We want to buy when the price crosses above the 50-period moving average and sell when it crosses below it. This is a classic trend-following strategy. On TradingView, you would add a 50-period simple moving average, or SMA, to your chart. The signals are clear. Price moves above the SMA line, that's a potential buy signal. Price moves below the SMA line, that's a potential sell signal. This is a straightforward strategy that is perfect for our first automation attempt. Now, we need to create alerts for these events in TradingView. You will right-click on your chart and select Add Alert. For the buy signal, you would set the condition to EURUSD or your chosen asset crossing up the SMA 50. In the alert settings, there is a webhook URL box. This is where you paste the special link you got from your connector software. It is very important to get this step right. The alert is the trigger, and the webhook URL is the delivery address for that trigger's message. The magic happens in the message box of the TradingView alert. This is where you write the command that your MT5 expert advisor will understand. The exact format of this message depends on the connector software you are using. It will have its own specific syntax. For example, a buy command might look something like buy EURUSD 0.01. This command tells the EA to place a buy order on the EURUSD pair with a lot size of 0.01. You would create a separate alert for the sell signal with a message like sell EURUSD 0.01. Always read the documentation of your chosen connector tool to get the commands right. Once you have set up both the buy and sell alerts with the correct webhook URL and message format, your system is ready. Make sure the expert advisor is running on the correct chart in your MT5 platform. Now you just wait. When the price on TradingView crosses the 50 SMA, the alert will trigger automatically. It will send the command to your MT5 via the webhook, and the EA will execute the trade instantly. Congratulations, you have just automated your first TradingView strategy. You can now monitor its performance directly in your MT5 account history. Starting with automation can be exciting, but it's important to be careful. My first tip is to always start with a demo account. Never risk real money when you are testing a new automated setup for the first time. Use a demo account to make sure that the alerts are triggering correctly and that the trades are being executed as you expect in MT5. Check the lot sizes, the entry points, and the closing of trades. Run the system for a few days or even weeks on a demo account until you are fully confident that everything is working perfectly. This is a crucial step for your safety. Another key tip is to consider using a virtual private server, or VPS. A VPS is a remote computer that runs 24/7. Your MT5 platform and the connector software need to be running all the time to catch the signals from TradingView. If you run them on your home computer, you might miss trades if your computer shuts down, loses internet connection, or goes to sleep. A VPS solves this problem by providing a stable environment that is always online. This ensures your automated strategy never misses a beat, which is essential for serious automated trading. Sometimes things can go wrong. A common issue is that trades are not being placed in MT5 even though the TradingView alerts are triggering. First, double-check your webhook URL in the TradingView alert settings. A small typo can break the entire connection. Second, check the message format. Make sure it exactly matches the syntax required by your connector's EA. Check the logs in your MT5 platform, under the Experts tab, for any error messages. These logs often tell you exactly what the problem is, such as an invalid command or a connection issue. Finally, remember that no strategy is perfect. The market is always changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. You need to regularly review the performance of your automated strategy. Don't just set it and forget it forever. Check its results, see if it is still profitable, and be prepared to make adjustments or even turn it off if it starts losing money. Automation is a powerful tool, but it is not a magic money machine. It still requires your oversight and intelligent management to be successful in the long run. Keep learning and stay disciplined.